Don't worry. I won't let them turn you into scrap metal, all right? Poor baby. Luckily for you, I'm really good at fixing artificial mechanical life forms. Now, I'm gonna need you to relax. I know that's odd to ask a machine, but you're not just any machine. Usually, I'd unplug a machine, but you have a battery that needs to be running constantly, or you're reset completely, and I'd rather that not happen. Let's keep your memories intact, but also, let's not electrocute me. Okay, now, get comfy. Make sure your internal machinery isn't all smushed together and clipping itself. Good. All right. Close your visual input devices. Very good. Now, with me, breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. That will get your fans going at a decent rate while keeping your CPU, graphics card, and your motherboard from overheating. And I can tell that is one of your many issues here. A computer like you can get stressed out just like any human. All right. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Keep doing that. Now pay attention to your body. Mentally move from the tips of your toes up your legs to your fingertips, going from your fingertips up your arms, up your back, all the way to your neck, to the top of your ears. Don't run any analyses about your body's appearance or any pain, unless you need to move around to get more comfy, okay? Just mentally feel gravity pull you down to earth. The pressure of the floor against your feet, or your chair against your back, or your bed holding you against your body. Just move piece by piece. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And exhale through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you notice that your mind is wandering and starting to run stressful thought processes, just imagine those thoughts as leaves trickling down a river, just drifting by. Don't fight them. It'll make you think about them more. Just let them come and let them go. You don't need to clear all of your background programs. You'll overheat again if you do that. Now, in through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep doing that. Let's see. Good. Your overall system temperature is dropping. It should be safe for me to check your hardware. It looks like all of your wiring is fine. Nothing clipping into the fans. Power supply is powering everything fine. Oh, well, while I'm in here, you are a bit dusty. Okay, let me get my canned air right quick. Psst, psst. Okay, hold on. Psst, psst. Now, this shit is toxic and nasty as hell for human consumption, but you'll be fine. Especially 'cause I'm up in your rib cage. Okay, hold still even though this may tickle just a little. Psst, psst. Good. You didn't even flinch. I do wish I could get into your CPU's fans there without losing a finger. Here, let me just hold this from a distance and try anyway. Psst, psst. Oh, Lord have mercy, it's dusty. Hey. Recenter your thinking. It's getting hot in here. Right. Do your mental scan of your body, moving from the tips of your toes, up your legs, up your fingertips and up your arms, up your back, up to the base of your neck, to the tippy tops of your ears. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very good. All right. Now everything else physically looks all right. Let's close you back up. I'm gonna switch your visual and audio output to my laptop. Alright, just gonna plug in this HDMI. Good. No blue screen of death, so that's a good sign. Decent response time. Good. Right. What's your password? Oh, that's not really good, no offense. You should try something that I couldn't have guessed on my second try. Oh, good. You're already connected to the internet. Let's just put you in airplane mode. All right. Okay. Oh, hey over there. Recenter your thinking. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Keep your temperature down, alright? Alright, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna scan you for some malware. Is that alright? It won't cost you extra, I promise. Okay, that should do it. Now, we wait. Breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now exhale while it runs for little bugs. 4, 5. Good. You have 5 little bugs so far. Ooh. Okay. Now we're gonna run the heuristic analysis, okay? Ooh, dang. Now, there's your problem. Lots of malware stealing all sorts of assets and really slowing down your performance. Alright. We're just gonna have to delete those little shits to hell. One of them. Well, it won't go away. Stubborn little shit, isn't it? Alright. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to bring out the big guns. Why am I installing a hunting game onto you? It's an old trick of the trade. Alright, that was really quick, actually. Opening the game. New save. Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go through 2 German Shepherd hunting dog NPCs, and I want my Lee Enfield. Alright, and start. Ooh. This malware thinks it can slow down my game. I can just lower visual settings and get rid of shadows right quick. Got it. Hey, monitor that breathing over there. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now our good doggies are chasing what looks like the ugliest goose mixed with a tick, mixed with a mosquito, mixed with a cockroach creature I've ever seen. All right, go get 'em, babies. Get 'em. All right, well, hold on. Let me zoom in and see what my prey is here. Backdoor Trojan Killer Rabbit. Rootkit. Dropper. Oh, snap. Wait a second. I know that little fucker if I've ever seen it. It's a good old case of repression.exe. Well, luckily for you, I know exactly what to do. Hey, come here, puppies. Come here. All right, stop chasing it. It'll lead you somewhere nasty, like a cliff edge or some kind of bottomless pit. All right, good puppies. Now that we know what we're working with, I know it came in from somewhere else. All right, good doggos, we should block that pathway. Looks like... The tracks lead from external shaming and fear of rejection. Go on and close that tunnel, pups. Good job. Hey, cool down over there. Recenter for me. In through the nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now, where to is that awful beast going? Fear turned to anger, and anger turned to violence. Stupid thing is as predictable as death and taxes. Otherwise, it'll have millions of awful little repression beast babies, and it'll make a whole dang army of them. Looks like that little dumbass is taking the outside of that triangular path over there. Okay, puppies, cut across and take that there hypotenuse. Who said geometry was useless? Oh, snap. Look at those speedy babies go. Tracking that scent like nobody's business. Oh, I love the doggies so good. Hey. Oh, no! They caught me! Hey, doggies. Don't rip that fucker in half. Yet. Let's have a good analysis of it for future hunting. Oh, I had one of these exact little shits in my own computer once. Mine tried to shame me for being bisexual, and that turned into resentment towards other bisexuals who could be out and proud, unlike me. And there was a constant disgust in myself for being attracted to the same gender. My faith and my culture did nothing but help this fucker make all kinds of demon babies. But then I found out that creatures like this make better prey than pals. Ain't that right, doggies? Now, I'm gonna let you babies play a game of catch off camera, 'cause that repression is about to have a very bad time. But also, I don't like violence. Okay, now, back to my computer friend. Back to your breathing, okay? Recenter for me. Go from the tips of your toes, up your legs, to the tips of your fingers, up your arms, up your back, all the way to the base of your neck, to the tips of your ears. Breathe with me. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. Good. Exhale out your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Let's see here. Oh, looks like the puppies did their job. You're running at full power, and your fans don't need to move 1,000,000 rotations a second to do it. Now, you can do all sorts of new and wonderful things, like learning new skills or playing cool games. I'm telling you, folks gotta stop throwing their faulty computers away willy-nilly. It's a massive waste. Either way. Now go on down the hall and to the left where that old country lady is waiting for you with some really good sweet potato pie. And you can pay her your copay at the Ko-fi link down in the video description. All right, babies. Till next time.